Hey guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with a update on my Panner's Pan Project Pan. This was created by Cookie Pans on Instagram, and I think that's still her Instagram channel. I think, no, actually she changed it. I'll put it right here. I remember Paula saying she changed it, so I'll put it right here and down below. I'll hover down below. But I have an update because I've met goal on a few of these. So the first one, I haven't met goal on, but I've been using, I'm just going to go down the list, you guys. The first one is that's still in this project. Now, I started this really late, so I've only actually finished one panner, okay, and that was Glow Recipe, and that was for Cookie Pans. But the second one is a YouTuber, Paula, and she is a beauty guru, made me do it, and I had put in a highlighter for her because she was working on Lunch Money for the longest time. I think she might have finished it by now. Maybe she's almost there. But so I put in, and now I can't find it. I put in Whipped. And let me grab it. I must have put it back in the back. Okay, no, it's right here somewhere. I just filmed a Get Ready With Me doing this makeup look. And I know it's right here somewhere. I just have so much stuff because I'm trying to update my pans, my project pans. Yeah, here it is. This is Whipped. And my goal is to hit pan on it for Paula. I feel like I'm really close. Now, it had cracked. And then you could see the pan. And then I used it today. And it went back over the pan. So you can't see the pan. But yeah, it's a pretty like pinky highlight. It's very frosty. And yeah, I like to hit pan on that. I'm not gonna swatch like the middle part because I don't want to hit pan like showing you guys. I want to hit pan when I use it on my face. But there's that. It's still in. The next panner is for VMRT on Instagram. That's Valerie. Now she had, I went through like all her Instagram trying to find like stuff that I have that she has. And I feel like we don't have a lot of the same. She has a very like nice taste. And the only thing I could find was this SGX hair stuff. And this isn't the same thing that she had. She had, Valerie had the Do It All 3-in-1 Dry Texture Spray. Now I have this one, which is the Peacemaker Beachy Texture Spray. So after you wash your hair, you kind of like spray it, and it's supposed to give you windswept waves. Now I have been using it. I haven't used it recently, but I feel like I've made good progress. I feel like I started here, and I feel I've gotten to about right here. And you can't see through the packaging, but when I shake it around, it really feels like the product is like coming from like right down here. So I've made, I feel like, good progress. I feel like in the summer, I'll definitely use it a lot more, the spring and summer. Right now, it's just so cold that I try not to wash my hair that often. And so I've been straightening it more and just kind of wearing it up. But I want to say I've used that much. So in a couple of months, I'll have it done. The next item in this project is for Jessica Lee. She's like the starter, or one of the starters of Fantastic Ladies Facebook group. Now, I'll have her, everybody linked down below. Her and a bunch of ladies, they had tried to, or they did, they didn't try, but they did. They panned the Carly Bible palette. Now, I have the deluxe one. I know her friend Amanda also had the deluxe, I think. And then I think Paula had like the original. But for her, I put in the deluxe because that's the one I have. And my goal is to get no pan left behind on this. You can see that I've, you know, used up one. I've hit pan on two. But in this project, I still have a few more to go. So like I have all of this top row right here, or bottom row, however you want to like think of it. It goes like this. Like I have all of these to go, and then I still have, let's see, I still have these 3 to go, and I have this one here, and I have this one here, I believe. So I still have quite a bit to use. So there's, let's see, 5 shadows, and then these face products I still need to use. So this will roll out once I do that. I don't reach for this that often because I hyper focus, you guys, like on my pan that palette during the week, and even on the weekends. Like I don't wear makeup, or I like play with something that's new and colorful, so it's hard for me to squeeze in these other palettes. But the next one I did hit goal on. It is for Nature I Care. She's on Instagram. I think her name is Melody. I've been following her for a while, I believe, and there's a lot of Instagram people that I've been following, but I'm not quite sure what their names really are. But she had the Comfort Zone palette, and I hit pan on it actually today, because after I filmed this video, this makeup look, I decided to highlight my inner corners with this shade here, and it hit pan. And then I was like, you know what, let's just do that brow bone too, so that pan will show a little better. And so I hit pan and I made goal, so I'm excited about that. I am gonna roll in someone because I hit goal on this, but I'll continue using this palette. I do have it in another project where I'm trying to hit pan on either one of, actually it's this one or this one. So I'm working on these. So since I'm working on these, I'll probably continue using this as a brow bone highlight, because I don't have anything like it in my pan that palette that I know of. The next person is for Pretty Crystal 86. I said 89 in my video earlier. And I put in Perversion. Now Perversion, I have, did I not mark it? I didn't mark it. Oh my goodness, I didn't mark it like on the paper. But I have this much left. I'll do this, and I have used it 10, 20, 30, 41 times. 41, maybe 42 times with today. So for about 42 times. I still have quite a bit left, and I am determined to use up this eyeliner. It doesn't get, like when you sharpen it, it doesn't get real sharp, like a fine point. And for eyeliner, I really do like a fine point, so it's kind of annoying that it doesn't do that. But yeah, I'm just gonna keep going on it, you guys. Hopefully I'll use it up, because I have a few other ones that are Urban Decay too. The next one is for Marty the Makeup Lady on Instagram. I used to work in the town that she lives in, so I'm like, I get excited when I think about her, because I'm like, oh, I used to work over there. This is the Glow Recipe Plump. It's like another one of those things. I think I couldn't find anything, or maybe I just thought, oh, that would be easy to use up. This is what it is, and I did use it up, you guys. I'm so excited. I have another empty. So actually not another empty, but one empty, because the other one I just hit goal on. But I did like this. I would repurchase it again. It's a hyaluronic cream, and it was in a 0.5 fluid ounce, so half an ounce, and it's done. I'm excited to have a face item done. I do hold on to like moisturizers and stuff because they're hard for me to use up. I don't always moisturize, so in my year-end empties, you do see my moisturizers, even though they're not a makeup product. The next panner I have in here is Marilyn Solis. Now, Marilyn Solis is here on YouTube, and she had a bad accident during Vlogmas, and she had a concussion. I'll link her down below. Please go check her out. She is the sweetest. But she hasn't been making a lot of videos recently because of her concussion and because she goes to school. But I hit pan this month on that product. I rolled in this e.l.f. quad. She had used, I believe she used up like a whole like face product, and it was a powder like this. Well, I've made big pan on it. And I think her goal was to like expose the ring on it, but then I'm like, I don't think there's rings on these like that shape pan. So my goal is just to use it up completely. I'm gonna leave her in. I love talking about her. I love her, and so I'm gonna leave it in. I just, you know, want to keep talking about her. and I know I can use up, I mean, it didn't take long to hit pan on that, so I feel like it'll be something easy to use up. Why stop now, right? Okay, the next item is for Laney. Now, Laney, I want to keep you in so badly. And I think I am, because even though I don't want to use this palette, I love watching Laney in her videos. She is so cute, and she is the sweetest. This is a Modern Renaissance palette, And my goal was just to get no pan left behind. And I did no pan left behind like so quickly on this palette. I feel like I need to leave Laney in longer. So I'm going to change. I'm going to up the goal. And I want to hit pan on a new eyeshadow. I don't know which one. I'm going to just keep reaching for these. I feel like this one here. What is that? Vermeer? I feel like I could hit pan on Vermeer if I use it as an inner corner highlight. And yeah, I just want to leave it in. I just want to leave Laney in this project a little bit longer. I feel like it's unfair to pull her out so quickly, so I'm going to leave it in. So there's that. Next was my Hershey Kiss, and I put this in for Danny. I believe her channel is Danny's Makeup. Now she loves glam light. She has a lot of glam light, and she got me to buy more glam light. I have the cake palette. I bought it when it first came out, and I hadn't bought any more glam light. And then I started watching Danny and all her glam light stuff, and I was like, you know what, I need to place an order. And that's when I bought this guy and a couple of other ones. I have the pink one and I have the brown one, I think. But I hadn't used it, and I wanted to use it and get some use out of it. I did no pan left behind, and I'm satisfied with what, you know, the looks that I got. I'm satisfied with the usage that I had, and so I am going to roll this one out and pull in another panner for that. So that was just no pan left behind. It was pretty easy. I think I did like 3 makeup looks to get no pan left behind on that palette. Number 12. I don't have a number 12, do I? No, I think Danny's Makeup was the last one. Oh, she's King Hussy on Instagram also. So now I'm going to roll in some people, and I'm going to go grab the products. I'll be right back. Okay, guys, I'm back. It's been a few hours. I've been having trouble finding panners that pan or have the same makeup that I'm panning. So these two, they don't really match. They don't match up, but similar items. And these 2 panners that I'm rolling in, I've been enjoying a lot lately on YouTube. The first one is Cey Loves Makeup, and you spell her name C-E-Y. I'll have her link down below with everybody again, like I said. And for her, today she posted, or yesterday, was the Turn and Burn. And she rolled in a bunch of sample like perfumes. And so I thought I would do that for her, for the Panner's Pan. So I'm going to go through all the perfumes that I am going to try to pan for Jaylon. Her name is Jaylon. Okay, so the first one is Flor Street. It says powered by flowers, and this is in Wonderland Peony. And here is the little sample. It's brand new. I haven't used it. The next one is, they're all falling over now because I have a bunch. The next one, oh, there's 9 of them, and then there's one other mini that I'm rolling in for Jaylon. So we have Clean Reserve, and it says Lush Fleur, and this is what it looks like. I haven't tried either of these like ever. I do have the Acqua Di Georgio by Giorgio Armani, and this is not even like torn apart yet, so let me open it that way. You kind of open it and it's right in here. It's brand new as well. I'm also gonna roll in this Love by Kilian. It says Don't Be Shy, and here is the perfume sample. Then I'm gonna roll in, let's see, Dolce & Gabbana's Light Blue. This is a new sample I just recently got. I am rolling in Versace Crystal. I have tried this and I do like it. It's Bright Crystal by Versace. I think I might have one other little sample somewhere, but I'm gonna use that one. It's brand new. Then Skylar Clean Beauty. I have this perfume here in Vanilla Sky. I love vanilla scents, so I can't wait to try this out. I've never tried it before. And then the sample that I'm rolling in is the MAC Fix Plus in Magic Radiance. So I had it with my perfumes and I thought it was a perfume sample, and I went downstairs. I'm like writing in my notebook all these perfumes down so I can mark them off as I finish them up. And then I had this, so I'm just gonna go with it, have that in there. And then there's 2 more perfumes. There is the Atelier Cologne in Figure Ardent. I hope I said that right. And then there's Dolce by Dolce & Gabbana. And that is, okay, so that is it for J-Lon. I'll have her link down below, like I said. And then the next one is Jen with Project Beauty. I think I just subscribed to her this year, and I enjoy her videos a lot. She's out in Canada. Now, she panned Becca's Vanilla Quartz. More recently, I think I was looking through her Instagram trying to find something that I have. I don't have Vanilla Quartz, but I do have Champagne Pop. I do have the full size. I do have 2 minis as well. I have Opal and I have, which one is it? Opal and one other one. Oh, Rose Quartz, I think. And they're like in the littler, smaller packaging, but this one's my oldest one, the Champagne Pop, so I thought I'd try to hit pan on it. I have had it in a project before, so there's a little tiny dip going on, but really, like, I think it's gonna take me a while to hit pan on it, and it's just gorgeous. It's such a pretty highlighter. I do have another, you know, the one for Paula in this project. So after I hit pan on the ColourPop Super Shock for Paula, I'm gonna use this highlighter here, and let's see how I do, how long it takes me to hit pan on that. But that is it for my Panner's Pan update. Let me know down below if you're doing this project. I'd love to come check your video out. Please like if you like this video and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.